Morganstown Docks, Port Benton, and Benton. This train has 4 coaches.
Welcome aboard this WaterLine train to Benton. The next station is Whitney Green. This train is now approaching Whitney Green. Due to a short platform, the doors in coach 4 will not open at this station.
Port Benton and Benton. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Whitney Green. Welcome aboard this WaterLine train to Benton. The next station is Morganstown Docks. This train is now approaching Morganstown Docks. Due to a short platform, the doors in coach 4 will not open at this station.
WaterLine service to Benton. Calling at Port Benton and Benton. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Morganstown Docks. Welcome aboard this WaterLine train to Benton. The next station is Port Benton.
Benton only. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Port Benton. Welcome aboard this WaterLine train to Benton. The next station is Benton. This train is now approaching Benton. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Terminates here. This train is the service from Greenslade. Platform 1A for the 15:02 WaterLine service to Connolly. Calling at Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.
This is Benton. This train terminates here. All change, please.